Hello, my name is Dr. Apollo. So today we'll be discussing the continuing topic of a global context. So businesses normally they evolve their uh, export their products, get an import from one country to another. So that makes it global. So this is the alliances of the country. Let's talk about particularly like economic, political, and national international dimension. Economic alliances by definition agreement between nations or regions promote economic cooperation, trade, investment, and development. So this is progressive cooperation. That means togetherness. Promote their trade. Example, it can be producing of goods and services. Investments. So putting investment from one country to another for development and progressive development. We have the EU. EU, we know it already. Consists of members for economic and political union. Now is 27 members that promotes free movements of goods, capital, services. So that means people working in one country can practice their services, deliver the product in another country. So that's in Europe. Then we have the American Free Trade Agreement, NAFTA, a trade agreement between USA, Canada, and Mexico, aimed at reducing trade barrier. So what do you mean by trade barrier? So like tariffs, visa, or another any form of restriction. And then we have African Continental Free Trade Area, so initiative to create single continental market for goods and services across Africa. So there are three continents that form. Application is a trade facilitation, removal of tariffs. This is tax standardization of regulation. That means there must be one barometer of restrictions. So is fair to all members. Example, USMCA for improving access for dairy and agriculture. Investment opportunity, joint venture. So pulling together for a purpose. Infrastructure. Yeah, infrastructure is the it can be technological, it can be roads and bridges, seaports, airports, like this one, to make to help the movements of the product. Okay, we call it cohesion policy. Then application is another supply chain integration, the shared production and logistics framework. Auto industry example in NAFTA. Political alliances involve agreements between states to pursue common political security ideology objectives. So we have this so-called two groups now. We have the free world and then the communists. We know already what is free world, US, uh, France, Germany. It is against the China or Soviet because they are communistic different belief. Okay, let's talk about North Atlantic Treaty Organization. This is an organization, a military alliance is established for collective defense. So promoting the security, this is one way, no? Because communists, no? They can invade country. So to prevent that, so an attack of one, attack to all. So that's the NATO. So that is protection. We have also ASEAN, political security community. Part of ASEAN broader cooperation strategy focusing on regional stability. So that means aggression to prevent prevention of that. Now another groupings we have BRICS, stands for Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa. Working towards multipolar cooperation. So they want to become another group in the world. Application, security cooperation, intelligence sharing, joint military exercise. Example, NATO's ballistic air uh, policy. That means they will guard the air. That means protection. So diplomatic leverage, collective bargaining in international forum. They have a uh, they have a voice now in the international. In terms of crisis response, humanitarian aid, conflict mediation. Example, ASEAN in Myanmar crisis discussion. So we've done with economic and political. Let's talk about national, regional, and international dimension. So we have domestic policy alignment. national policies with alliance obligation. EU agree policy establishment aligning by members states, member the 27 member. Sovereignty consideration debate over national autonomy versus blockade. So this is an issue of togetherness. But again, their currency is one, but their identity they remain intact, and then they have independence. Regional dimension, economic or political bloc, enhancing regional solidarity. We have the Mercosur in South Africa. Another is cross-border infrastructure, transportation corridors, energy grids, example East African electricity pool. So they will guard their interest. No? Actually, these are to protect their interests, because the communists can take over them and capture all of them. No? They're going to use their force. So to prevent that they have organization. International dimension, global governance. No? So alliances influencing international organizational like UN or WTO. All the debates, disputes are resolved to United Nations. Then for the Economic World Trade Organization, we have the geopolitical strategy alliances be used to balance a counteract global powers. For example, opposed to counter China influence. No? So again, these are all leverage of a small country protection for political and economic. That's why they are moving into one. So if you have some question, just send me in WhatsApp now. So let's continue next meeting. Thank you for having me. Bye bye.